Everyone, I would like to thank Mr. Mara as the lecturer in charge of the presentation technique course who has given me the opportunity to present the things I like as final semester exam assessment. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nesha Rosita with class student number 165. I want to explain about teddy bear, which are the thing I like in this world. With the title, the teddy bear is a beloved companion. Next. Uh, for the material in this presentation, I will present five materials. First, what is a teddy bear? Second, the effect of teddy bear. Three, the benefit of teddy bear. Uh, Four, why I love teddy bears. And last, conclusion. Next. What is teddy bear? Next. 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 A teddy bear is a soft stuffed toy in the shape of a bear. It's made from various materials like fabric, cotton, and sometimes even plastic for its eyes. The teddy bear was invented in the early 20th century. The name teddy bears come from President Theodore Teddy Roosevelt. The story goes that he refused to shoot a bear during a hunting trip, which inspired a toy maker to create a stuffed bear in his honor. Next. The appeal of teddy bear. Next. The appeal of teddy bear. One, comfort and security. Teddy bear provide a sense of comfort and security, especially for children. They're soft, cuddly, and nature makes them a source of emotional support during moments of fear or anxiety. Two, symbol of love. Symbol of love and affection. Teddy bears are commonly used as a gift to express love and affection. Giving a teddy bear to someone who shows care and thoughtfulness. Three, versatility. Teddy bears come in various sizes, colors, and style, making them versatile, whether as a toy, a decorative place, or a collective item. Teddy bears are adaptable to different preferences. For companionship, teddy bear often become a child first companion, providing a constant presence and a sense of a friendship. They help Children build social skill by acting as a friends to talk to confiding. Teddy bears can have calming effect and are sometimes as an as in therapy. They can help people, especially children, cope with stress and emotional challenge. Next, benefit of having a teddy bear. First, emotional support. Teddy bears can comfort you during difficult times. Two, stress relief. Having a teddy bear can help reduce stress and anxiety. Three, memory keeper. Teddy bears can hold special memories and remind you of loved ones. Next. Why I love teddy bear? Because first, comfort. Teddy bear provide a sense of comfort and security. They are perfect for hugging and cuddling. Two, memories. Teddy bear often hold sentimental value, reminding us of childhood or special moment. Three, decorative appeal. Uh, Teddy bear are good and can be used as decoration in a room to make it feel cozy. Next, conclusion. To the conclusion, teddy bears are more than just toys. They present love, comfort, and cherished memories. This is why I love teddy bears so much. Next. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you, sir. See you in the next semester.